Hey guys, welcome to Hug Aviation. Today we're back in the 172RG, C172RG Romeo. It's got a new paint since the last time we flew it, and we're going to be taking it down from Opelika, Florida today, all the way to Tampa, to Clearwater Air Park to go have lunch with some friends. So let's go do it. Opelika Tower, Skyhawk 610 Romeo, hold short 9 left for departure, flight following.
6102 Romeo, Opelika Tower, got my 9 left clear for takeoff, say your direction of flight now.
9 left clear for takeoff, and it's going to be northwestbound, 6102 Romeo. Okay, RPMs are good, manifold pressure, everything else is in the green, and looking good, airspeed's alive. And here we go, 60 knots, rotate. We're off. Okay, no runway remaining, gear up. And we gotta watch out for the Bravo. Wait, watch the pedals, please. Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, that was me?
Yeah, step on the pedals. Yeah, I'm gonna try and get us up higher when we get away from the clouds. These are little fluffs, like this is not a problem. I'm not gonna have a problem flying through these guys. Yeah, there's our gap.
243 Echo Alpha, 14-7 for 16,000. Tower 643 Echo Alpha, Miami Center, Roger. Climb maintain, follow level 190. 643 Echo Alpha. Miami Skyline 7178, would like to leave 5,500 for 3,500. 17178, Roger. Maintain VFR, 4 south, your discretion. 788, you have traffic, 1230, 7 miles, northbound 3,000 feet. You should pass right behind them, but I'll keep you updated. Tower 6040 Alpha, Miami Center, Roger. Climb and maintain 12,000.
Hello, audience.
Hello,
Hug Aviation crew.
this is my dad. Yeah. Is
As,
this,
as evidenced by the good looks transferred, yes.
this is your second flight with me, right?
That's correct.
Second flight.
First
So-
one was,
The first one we went to Vero Beach,
that's right,
and we also climbed above the clouds.
but it was an unbelievably hot day and I thought I was going to die. But
Yeah. Luckily today we got cold front in Florida, so everybody will be wearing their winter coats at 75 degrees Fahrenheit and bringing out the hot chocolate because it's too cold. We climbed above the clouds. We're at 6,500 on flight following, and we're doing 140 true over the ground. Sorry, ground speed. We're doing 140 over the ground, and it's pretty smooth up here. And we're just it's about an hour and a half at this speed to Tampa, so we got a little bit of cruise to go. So we'll check back in with you guys when we get closer to Tampa, when we start descending. Anyways, we'll see you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, so we're getting vectors right now into Clearwater. So we got cleared through the Bravo. So very convenient for us. It's going to get us there a little quicker than not flying with flight following. So it's a good call. And we're going to go sterile cockpit now, focus up because it's going to get pretty busy.
Flight, set to maintain 3,000. 31.
It's going to turn us soon.
November 02 Romeo, maintain VFR at or above 2,100, resume navigation.
VFR at or above 2,100, own navigation, 02 Romeo.
3925, turn right, heading 290.
right turn,
Okay.
290.
Now we're going to go direct to the airport.
1990, set up maintain 4,000.
02 Romeo, proceed direct Clearwater, descend maintain 2,100.
Direct Clearwater 2,100, 02 Romeo.
American 1990, contact Tampa
Okay,
Tower.
so we're gonna go direct, enter.
95 on American 1990.
So we'll go ahead and throw the gear down now. Okay, gear down.
Yep.
Okay, I got
Locked.
a gear, I've got a
I got a-
green light.
I got a gear as well.
And I see the nose gear. Okay, gear down. Clearwater traffic, Sky 610 to Romeo, turn final 16 full stop, Clearwater. Okay, we're a little bit high. Pull the power back some more, get flaps 30.
Helicopter 0. Traffic helicopter 003 crossing infield 600 feet to the west. Clearwater travel, we have landing traffic inside Clearwater.
Radio check.
Loud and clear.
Welcome to Clearwater.
Nice.
Flaps up.
Pattern work,
There's
Clearwater
gear.
traffic.
There's
Right
gearing.
there. Yeah, right there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Yeah, that's where we park.
16 full stop, Clearwater traffic.
Hi, Olive!
Last night I was dreaming out loud. California sun was making my eyes dry. Can we still make it happen? It's worth a try.
So we just drove a little bit and we got to St. Petersburg Pier, and it's really, really cool here. So we're gonna go find a place to eat, and I'll show you guys the food when we get there.
Winter's dawning and I can't seem to adapt. And somebody told me that you felt the same way since we went. Why wouldn't you give me a call? We'll ride on those waves again. And I can wait through a storm, 'cause without you it wouldn't be the same.
Which ice cream do you want, Olive? Strawberry. Got the ice cream. This place is awesome. So I got my ice cream, and we're just relaxing. Probably gonna be here for another hour, and then we'll head back out and take the plane back up to Opelika.
Yeah, we have them all at Petersburg, Florida.
It's a birdie. How's it going? How you liking Tampa?
Amazing. Best experience ever. Highly recommended.
How you like Tampa, Olive?
What do you like better, Tampa or Toronto?
Tampa,
Why Tampa?
because it's hot.
I'll keep on dreaming out loud tonight.
So that's Ava. That's a driverless shuttle. Right here in St. Petersburg, St. Pete, Florida.
Clearwater.
So as much as I love this 172, it doesn't have any steps, and so I got to use this rinky-dink ladder. It feels like I'm going to fall off. So it's pretty scary. Warning, caution. It's pretty scary, but you know, gets the job done, and you know, lets me fuel the tanks.
Clearwater traffic, Skyhawk 610 to Romeo is going to be departing 16 into the left, downwind for 16, and then we're going to depart the area to the southwest. Clearwater traffic. Okay. Everything's good. 60 knots, rotate.
Wait 1 second.
Okay, no wrong remaining gear up.
Get your Romeo cleared through Bravo, climb your discretion on course.
clear to Bravo. Our discretion on course. See you coming in.
Wings 80, climb maintain
Yes!
1000.
I love you.
Contact Sarasota, November 606.
He's gonna move.
Camp departure, Skycatcher 6056.
So we made it to cruise level flight. We're on flight falling back to Opelika. Once again, we went over the cloud layer. We're at 7,500. We've got a bit of a headwind here, but it's going nice. It's smooth again up here. And we've got another hour and a bit flight back to Opelika. So I'll see you guys when we get there. See ya. Sky 6102 Romeo is 7,600. We're going to start the descent now. We'll be apart from falling.
November 6102 Romeo, Miami Center, Roger. Palm Beach altimeter 3013.
Bravo 230, South 662.
And there she goes. Wow. Holy shoot. We're lined up with 9 right.
We're 02 Romeo. Change to runway 9 left, runway 9 left, clear to land.
Change to 9 left, clear to land, 0 Romeo. Okay, powered idle.
We're 26 Yankee, follow the traffic on the climb, make a right downwind departure to the west, runway 9 right, clear for takeoff.
Right departure to the west.
Okay. You gotta give me a second here. That was
Did you have fun?
That was a great flight.
I enjoyed myself very much. Check
out the jet.
Yeah. It's just, you know, the inability to move around is somewhat
Yeah.
painful, but otherwise, really, really enjoyable.